Hello lovely, welcome to the dabatoz we do all. Today we are making a very quick fufu. So I have my fufu powder and then I've poured some hot water on it. I'm just going to be using my wooden stick to stir around it nicely. So I'm pressing against the side of the jug so that all the lumps will be dissolved and then it will mix nicely. I'm just gonna add a little bit more boiling water. So depending on the consistency you want, then you just do it. If you want it soft, then you add more water. If you want it hard, then you reduce the water. So I'm just adding a little bit more hot water and then it goes in the microwave for 1 minute. It's been in the microwave for a minute, so I'm gonna stir it again, and then it here is hot, so I'm gonna use my tea towel to hold and then knead. Just as I'm doing, I'm just pressing it against the jug. So it's nice and ready. Now our fufu is nice and ready to be served. So we always use our hand to knead our fufu, but you can also use a spatula, just as I'm doing, to knead it. So it's nice and ready. I'm just gonna dip my hand in water and then turn it around. So I've dipped my hand in water and then I'm doing it the normal way that we do in Ghana.
That's so yummy, yum.
So I lift and fold, and then lift and fold, just like I'm doing. And it forms very nicely. And then when it's done, I dip my hand in water again and then run it under the bowl and then flip it. Then it's nice and ready. Now we're going to serve our fufu with some simple light soup. So there we go. Somebody likes the head. Let's put that one right here. Quick fufu is nice and ready. Add a bit of okra to it if you prefer, and enjoy.